Hello viewers, in this video amazing designs we want to bring for you, and we try to give the best ideas and beautiful rustic decoration ideas, wall hanging decoration. This video going to show you very amazing and interesting designs of rustic burlap jute rope craft for Xmas for upcoming season. So this craft is very easy and happily you can make it. So what are you waiting for? These designs is very interesting. So take some wooden piece, some old fabric, check prints, take some grass and leaves, add some cherries like and reddish green touch. So this, if you want to make this type of products, you can take this type of things and take glue gun and some simple tips you have to do. So with burlap and jute craft, you can make a rustic touch and very beautiful and amazing interesting designs. We are trying to bring the best and eco-friendly, budget-friendly ideas for viewers. These eco-friendly, budget-friendly ideas made by jute rope or fabrics, you can make it with and make some, turn your ordinary piece into extraordinary and trash into treasure. So hope you enjoying all the designs and all the ideas. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care, and we will try to bring the best of best ideas. Leave your comment in the comment section. We will try to uploading as soon as possible. So what are you thinking about these designs? Are useful or not? Write your opinion in the comment section, and it would be really nice of you if you are commenting on my channel, and your opinion is very precious for me. So thank you. Stay blessed. God bless you all. We are trying the best ideas, best videos for you. So tell me about your opinion in the comment section. Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we dive into the world of very beautiful artistic designs, artistic ideas, very beautiful designs of rustic jute craft. So it's a very beautiful and excitement with, because every crafters wants to do that. Every crafters loves to do that. So viewers, in this video we show you very amazing and rustic designs, very beautiful ideas, gorgeous designs. So these are very collective ideas, and we collected it from over the very sites. So you can get ideas from this video, because this video gonna give you the amazing vibe of jute and rustic craft, burlap craft with wooden touch. So this video gonna help you to create something new and amazing art. Thank you for watching. For amazing response, we are trying to bring for you, our viewers and subscribers, the best and unique ideas. In this video we show you the beautiful and amazing collection, beautiful and amazing craft ideas. Hope you like that all ideas and designs. Don't forget to subscribe. We try to give you the best ideas and best unique collection of burlap and jute craft. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and understanding response. In this video we show you different types of art ideas with jute and burlap. This is a very eco-friendly and unique collection of burlap and jute. So thank you for your amazing response, and in this video we show you the amazing and gorgeous designs. Stay blessed. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. We gives you the best and rustic ideas and beautiful look. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care. Stay blessed. To explore the beauty of rustic holiday crafting, where nature meets tradition. Our focus will be on wooden ornaments, rustic designs, jute craft, and the cozy charm of jute twine burlap arts. These natural materials create timeless X-Max decor that feels warm, handmade and close to heart. Whether you are decorating your tree, adding characters to your mantle, or crafting gifts for loved ones, these DIY ideas are sure to bring joy and authenticity to your holiday season. Let's begin with wooden ornaments. Wood carries a natural earthy charm that instantly gives your decorations a rustic feel, like cinnamon and many types of wood. You can start with simple wood slices. Sand them lightly, then paint or burn designs onto them, snowflakes, stars, initial, or even little holiday phrases like happy festival or joy. Add a hole at the top. Loop some twine and you have a beautiful ornaments ready to hang. Another idea is carving or shaping small wooden figures. Think of reindeer, trees, or stars. You don't need to be a professional woodworker. Small pre-cut wooden shapes are available at craft stores, and you can decorate them and paint, stain, or even jute wrapping for that farmhouse look. Now let's bring in the jute twine. Jute is such a versatile material, perfect for rustic crafts. You can wrap plain ornaments like plastic or foam balls with jute to create a natural look. Add a bow, pine cone, or a sprig of greenery, and suddenly you have a farmhouse style decoration. Jute can also be used as hanging loops for wooden ornaments, garlands, or stocking. That little details transform the whole design into something cozy and rustic. For a creative twist, glue jute into spiral shapes, circles, star, or hearts, and harden them with a little clear glue. Once dried, these shapes make unique, lightweight ornaments. When wood and jute come together, the results are magical. Try making a wooden star ornaments with sticks or twine. Tie them together with jute at the corners, add a loop at the top, and decorate with a dusting of fake snow or glitter. You could also create rustic candle holders. Take a small wooden block or slice, wrap it with jute, and maybe add a cinnamon stick or a sprig of pine. These make wonderful table centerpiece during Xmas dinner. Another idea is to craft mini wreaths using jute at the base, then decorate with tiny wooden cutouts with like snowflakes or reindeer. Rustic crafting is all about celebrating imperfection and nature. Add pine cone, dried oranges, cinnamon sticks, or little pieces of burlap to your designs. These natural touches combine beautifully with wood and jute. For example, hang a string of wood slices tied together with jute as a garland across your fireplace. Or create a Xmas tree topper out of sticks tied with twine for that raw handmade feels. Even gift wrapping can become part of the craft. Wrap your presents in brown craft paper. Tie them with jute and tuck in a wooden tag or ornaments. Your gift will look as beautiful in the outside as it is on the inside. And that brings us to the end of today's rustic holiday journey. We explored how to use wooden pieces, jute, twine, and natural rustic touches to create stunning Xmas ornaments and crafts. These ideas not only decorate your home but also carry a story of warmth, simplicity, and handmade love. So this season, step away from plastic, embrace natural textures, and let your creativity shine. Whether it's a wooden ornaments or jute wrapped bauble or a rustic centerpiece, each piece will carry the magic of festival made by your own hands. Thank you so much for joining me today.